Hey James, it's Melissa. I just wanted to shoot you over that quick video we talked about yesterday, showing you a few ways that you can increase your online presence through your website. So looking at your website here, it looks really good. Looks like you have all the services that you do, a lot of pictures of your work, um, a call to action page here. It all looks really great. The only thing I noticed is there's really not very much content on your page. Looks like you only have about 300 words. So you really want to have about 1,500 words on your homepage. So Google has what's called crawlers, and they go through and they look at all of the relevant content that's on your page, all of the keywords, and that's what's going to help you rank on their search engine. And I also wanted to point out when you're uploading pictures to your website, if you save these as relevant content as well, that'll actually count as content in Google's eyes. So that's basically only one of the ways that you can help your website rank and get to the top of the search engine page. There's basically three main components that you need to do in order to optimize your site. It's content, which is getting relevant keywords on that homepage and all of your service pages, backlinks, and citations. And I'll go through all of that with you. So when you do a search for Painters Orlando, what comes up is all of these guys up here. This is paid advertising. And then when you scroll down a little bit, this is what's called the map pack. These are all people that have Google My Business pages. It's basically a page with your company name, your address, and phone number. Usually you have reviews and pictures, and you really want to have at least 25 reviews on that. And you really want to try and get to these top three guys, because usually when people come and look for painters, they're not typically going to scroll past this page. They're going to look at all these reviews and choose one of these guys. And then if you keep scrolling down, all of these like Home Advisor, Yelp, Angie's List, those are all citations. So a citation is any directory where your business name, phone number, and address are listed. So that helps you out with your SEO as well. So if we go and look at this first guy, a Painter's Touch. So if you look at his website, he's really ranking a lot better and at the top of the Google page. He has over 1,200 words on his homepage. So that's really helping him rank. So I use this program called Ahrefs, and it basically analyzes whatever URL that you put in here. So when we go to a Painter's Touch, which is that guy that was at the top of that search page, he has 482 keywords on his site. So that's really helping him out a lot. He has over 1,000 backlinks. So a backlink is any website, directory, article, blog, anything like that that's referring your site and directing people back to your site. Also on his site, so his UR rating is a 24 out of 100 and his DR is a 0.4 out of 100. So the UR rating is basically how powerful your site is in Google's eyes, and the DR rating is how trustworthy it is. So it probably means that some of these backlinks he has might not be as trustworthy. They might be coming from some spammy sites or, just not relative sites that has to do with painting. So if we go and put your site in here, you have 0 keywords on your site and 6 backlinks. You really need to get some more relevant content on that page. It's really going to help you out as far as ranking your site. I mean, what's the point in having a website if nobody gets to see it, right? So at the end of the day, if you get some more content on your page, maybe throw some reputable backlinks in there, get your name and address on some citations, maybe on Yelp and Angie's List, things like that, I think it would really help you beat out your competition. I hope that you found this helpful. Feel free to leave me some feedback and let me know if you have any questions on how to implement some of these tips. Have a good one.